Your UK residence permit is more than just a card. It represents your gateway to a new life in the United Kingdom, offering you the freedom to live, work, and study in this vibrant country. It's your key to living, working, and studying in the United Kingdom. Whether you're a student aiming to gain world-class education, a professional seeking career opportunities, or a family member joining your loved ones, this permit is essential. This permit demonstrates your legal right to reside in the UK for a specific period. The duration of your stay is clearly indicated on the card, and it's important to be aware of this time frame to plan your activities accordingly. There are various types of UK residence permits, each tailored to a specific purpose of stay. These include work permits for those employed in the UK, student permits for those pursuing education, family permits for those joining relatives, and many more. These include permits for work, study, family, and more. Each type of permit comes with its own set of requirements and benefits, so it's crucial to understand which one applies to your situation. Make sure you apply for the correct permit that aligns with your circumstances. The application process can be detailed and requires accurate information to avoid delays or rejections. The validity of your residence permit is crucial. Always keep an eye on the expiration date and plan ahead to renew it if necessary. This ensures that you remain in compliance with UK immigration laws. Overstaying your visa can lead to serious consequences, including future entry bans. It's important to respect the terms of your permit to avoid any legal issues that could affect your ability to stay in or return to the UK. Renewing your permit before it expires is essential to maintain your legal status in the UK. The renewal process can take time, so it's advisable to start early and ensure all your documents are in order. Think of your residence permit as your passport to opportunities in the UK. It opens doors to a multitude of experiences, from career advancements to cultural exchanges, and helps you integrate into the community. Safeguarding its validity ensures your continued access to these prospects. An expired permit can lead to restrictions and even denial of entry, so always prioritize keeping it up to date. If you're unsure about any aspect of your residence permit, consider consulting with an immigration advisor or lawyer. They can provide valuable guidance and help you navigate the complexities of UK immigration rules. Ultimately, your UK residence permit is a powerful tool that enables you to make the most of your time in the UK. By understanding its importance and managing it responsibly, you can enjoy a fulfilling and successful stay in this diverse and dynamic country. Don't wait for your UK residence permit to expire before thinking about renewal. Start the process well in advance to avoid any potential disruptions to your stay. You can apply for renewal up to 28 days before your current permit expires. This time frame provides ample opportunity to gather documents and complete the application process. Early application ensures a smooth transition to your new permit. It also grants you peace of mind, knowing that your legal status in the UK is secure. Procrastination can be costly when it comes to visa renewals. Take proactive steps to ensure a timely and stress-free process. A successful UK residence permit renewal hinges on providing accurate and complete documentation. This process can seem daunting, but with the right preparation, it becomes manageable. Here's a checklist of essential documents you'll likely need. Having these documents ready and organized will save you time and reduce stress. Your current passport. Ensure it's valid for the duration of your intended stay in the UK. A valid passport is your primary identification and proof of nationality. Your current biometric residence permit. This card contains crucial information about your immigration status. It includes your personal details, photograph, and the terms of your stay. Proof of your continued eligibility. This could include evidence of employment, enrollment in an educational institution, or family ties in the UK. Employment contracts, payslips, or a letter from your employer can serve as proof of employment. If you're a student, an enrollment letter from your educational institution will be necessary. Financial documentation. Demonstrate your ability to support yourself financially during your stay. This might include bank statements, savings accounts, or proof of income. If you have a sponsor, their financial details will also be required. Accommodation details. Provide proof of your current living arrangements in the UK. This could be a rental agreement, a letter from your landlord, or utility bills in your name. Keep in mind that specific document requirements may vary depending on your individual circumstances and the type of residence permit you're renewing. Always check the latest guidelines from the UK Home Office to ensure you have the correct documents. Treat this documentation as the foundation of your renewal application. Ensure its accuracy, completeness, and organization for a smoother process. Double-check all details and make copies of everything for your records. Being thorough now can prevent delays and complications later. Start early and give yourself plenty of time to gather all necessary documents. Rushing at the last minute can lead to mistakes and missing information. Create a checklist and tick off each item as you prepare it. If you're unsure about any part of the process, seek professional advice. Immigration advisors and legal experts can provide valuable guidance and ensure that your application meets all requirements. Once you have all your documents ready, submit your application through the appropriate channels. Many applications can now be submitted online, making the process more convenient. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation. Keep this safe as it will be important for tracking the status of your application. Patience is key, as processing times can vary. With careful preparation and attention to detail, you'll increase your chances of a successful renewal. Good luck with your application. The UK visa application process is primarily online, offering convenience and accessibility. This means you can complete most of the steps from the comfort of your home, without the need to visit any offices in person. Here's a detailed breakdown of the key steps involved in this process, ensuring you have a smooth and successful application experience. First, visit the UK government's official website for visa and immigration services. This is the central hub where you will find all the necessary information and resources for your application. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Having an account allows you to save your progress and return to your application at any time, which is particularly useful if you need to gather additional information or documents. Next, select the appropriate application form for your residence permit renewal. It's crucial to choose the correct form to avoid any delays or complications in your application process. Remember, different permits have specific forms tailored to their requirements. For instance, a work permit renewal form will differ from a student permit renewal form, so make sure you select the one that matches your situation. Then fill out the application form meticulously, providing accurate and up-to-date information. This step is critical as any errors or omissions can lead to delays or even rejection of your application. Double-check for any errors or omissions before submission. It's a good idea to review your application multiple times or even have someone else look over it to ensure everything is correct. After that, pay the application fee online. The payment process is secure and straightforward, allowing you to use various payment methods such as credit or debit cards. The fee amount varies depending on your nationality and the type of permit you're renewing. Make sure to check the exact fee applicable to your situation to avoid any surprises. Finally, book an appointment at a UK visa application center in your country of residence. This step is essential for the completion of your application process. This appointment is for submitting your biometric information, like fingerprints and photographs. These biometrics are required to verify your identity and are a mandatory part of the application process. The online application process is designed to be user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, guiding you through each step with clear instructions and prompts. Take your time, read the instructions carefully, and ensure all information provided is truthful and accurate. Rushing through the application can lead to mistakes, so it's better to be thorough and precise. Additionally, gather all necessary documents before you start the application. This includes your passport, previous permits, proof of residence, and any other supporting documents required for your specific permit type. Scan these documents and have digital copies ready to upload. This will save you time and ensure that you have all the required information at your fingertips. After submitting your application, keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional information from the UK visa authorities. Respond promptly to any such requests to avoid delays. Successfully navigating the online application process can be a rewarding experience, bringing you one step closer to renewing your UK residence permit. With careful preparation and attention to detail, you can ensure a smooth and efficient application journey. The Biometric Residence Permit, or BRP, is a secure identity card that serves as proof of your immigration status in the UK. It contains your personal details, biometric information, and the conditions of your stay. After your UK residence permit renewal is approved, you'll typically need to obtain a new BRP. This card is usually collected from a designated post office in the UK. Your BRP is an essential document for various purposes, including proving your right to work, rent, and access public services in the UK. Safeguard it carefully, as replacing a lost or stolen BRP can be a time-consuming and costly process. Think of your BRP as your digital fingerprint in the UK's immigration system. It's a vital component of your legal residency and should be treated with utmost care. Once you've submitted your UK residence permit renewal application and attended your biometric appointment, the waiting game begins. Processing times can vary depending on several factors. Factors that can influence processing times include the type of visa, the volume of applications being processed, and whether your application is straightforward or requires additional checks. It's best to apply well in advance to account for potential delays. While you wait for a decision, it's generally advisable to remain in your country of residence if you're applying from outside the UK. Traveling to the UK while your application is pending could complicate matters. Patience is key during the visa processing stage. Use this time to tie up loose ends in your home country and prepare for your continued stay in the UK. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and tips on UK visa processes.